Guys, we finally finished our Ferrari F430 installation. Episode 6 dropped on Saturday morning and it seems like you guys loved it. If you haven't checked out any of the episodes yet, go watch them. We replaced the speakers, added tweeters, replaced the stereo, added a subwoofer enclosure with two 8-inch subwoofers, sound in the doors, made our own vapor barriers and crossover mounts. It was super in-depth, lots of detail. You can definitely learn a lot if you're new to car audio, so go and watch them. I'm gonna get a couple of videos up for this weekend, but we're going to CES on Wednesday, so we're gonna be swamped while in Vegas. We'll do our best to keep you guys posted in the moment of everything we see, but we're gonna shoot everything and make a ton of videos on it. So our coverage for that will start next week. All right, Boston Jim, take it away. Oh shit, we're going to Vegas again this week? I better call my doctor and set up an appointment for after we come back. Alright, we dropped the last video of our Ferrari install and a bunch of you guys left a ton of comments. Let's go over some of them. Ed Moore, total additional weight added to the car. Speakers, amps, subs, cabling, 5 kilograms. Tessa tape, 1,800 kilograms. Beautiful job. It's pretty accurate. We keep Tessa in business, basically. Gabriel Galaxy. He has a Ferrari, but couldn't even get a radio with a touchscreen? Not everybody wants a touchscreen, my man. Laura Thorne New. Oh lord, a nice startup exhaust shot and this dude's fat head is talking over it. Laura Thorne New, say hello to your mother for me. Mr. D, love the install vids. Your boy is on point. This is greatness that needs watched. Thanks, Mr. D, but keep that D to yourself. S-Man G-Man. What an irritating toned voice. Painful to watch. Your mother likes my voice. Turmoil X. You didn't wear latex gloves when you put the head unit in? Cough, please. Alan Ray. I wouldn't let this guy put a system in my golf cart. Cheap 14 gauge wire for subwoofers. It's actually 12 gauge. Upon breaking 45,000 subscribers, Big D Wiz commented, "You guys leapfrog me, but I think we can both reach 100,000 in 2018. I think so too, Big D. If anyone doesn't know who Big D Wiz is, he runs a YouTube channel where he tests a bunch of amplifiers. Awesome amp dyno videos, so go ahead and check out his page. He's got a lot of great content. That's it for top comments, guys. If you're going to Vegas for CES, keep your eyes peeled. You might see us there. I probably should bring this with me. Thanks, BJ, and that's it, everybody. You know the deal. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Dislike it if you hated it. Leave any comments below. Join the conversation. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Stay tuned for our CES 2018 coverage, and we'll see you soon.